I am currently switching from Mixpanel to Amplitude, right, for my organization. And one of the things I was able to do with Mixpanel is to display a key metric. So maybe I'm not looking to have like a chart. Maybe I want to have, just one display of how many users did this or, triggered a particular event. Instead of having a chart or some graph, it just shows like the metric itself is like a card, right? And I can have like that card tiled into like 8 different places showing like different metrics. And I don't necessarily have to be looking at a chart, just a figure or a number of something. Is that possible in Amplitude? I've tried to go around it, but of all the possible visualizations, I don't see that available.
If you go to bar chart right next to the, you can open any, yes. If you just need to select KPI, the last one.
Okay, got it. Yeah. Here, right? Yeah, KPI. And then we can put that in the dashboard. Yeah.
Okay, great, thanks.